Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today's lecture is on the coordination compound. This is the lecture 4 of the coordination compound. In previous lectures, we seen the introduction of coordination compounds and what is meant by coordination compound and how they can be identified. Again, as we see Werner's theory. So today we are going to start the new concept, that is ligands. Ligands, this is the molecule or ion which are coordinated to metal atom or ion in a coordination compound are called as ligands or donor atom. That means ligands are the molecular ion which are coordinated to metal atom in coordination compound. So they are called as ligand and ligand or a donor group. The word stem from Greek ligand meaning to bind. Ligand meaning to bind here. So ligand is to bind the metal in coordination compound. Example, here we see example K4FeCN6. This is the example of coordination compound in which the six cyanide ions are coordinated to Fe2 plus and are the ligands. Here Fe is the metal ion. Here Fe is the metal ion or molecule and Cn is the ligand, and here 6 cyanide ions. So these 6 ions are coordinated to Fe. So here Fe is the metal and Cn is the ligand. Again we see another example, COCl2NH3,4Cl. Here the 4 ammonia molecule that is NH3,4 and 2 chloride ions are the ligands. Here there are 2 ligands. First is the NH3 and second is the Cl, that is chloride. In this compound, coordination compound, here there are 2 ligands. First is the ammonia and second is the Cl, that is chloride ions. Again, there are three types of ligands. So you can understand very well now what is meant by ligands. Ligand is the molecule or ion which coordinated to metal atom, and also it is called as donor group. So ligands may be positive, negative or neutral. So ligands are of three types. One is the negative, second is the positive, and third is the neutral molecule. Here we see first is the Cn minus, that is called cyanide, NO2 minus, that is nitrite, OH minus hydroxide, NO3 minus nitrate, F minus, that is fluoride, Cl minus, that is chloride, and Br minus or Br, that is bromide. Again positive ion, that is positive ion which is positive ligand, positive ion ligand, which is NO plus nitrosonium N2H5 hydrazinium. So these are the positive ion ligand. Here these are the negative ion ligand, that is Cn minus, NO2 minus, OH minus, NO3 minus, F minus, Cl minus and Br. Again neutral molecules are the CO, that is carbon monoxide, NH3 that is ammonia, H2O that is water, NH2OH hydroxylamine, and again CH3NH2 that is methylamine. These are the neutral molecule which also act as ligand and coordinated with metal, so they form the coordination compound. Here today we see what is meant by ligand, types of ligand, and how they coordinated to the coordination compound. So coordination compound is the most important topic for the 12th science, BSc, MSc, GATE exam, NET exam, and again MSc entrance exam. So go to our channel and see there. I have already uploaded. There are 4 videos on the coordination compound and the organic reactions also, again physical chemistry, chemical kinetics, chemical equilibrium topic also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on chemistry.